So welcome everyone. We are now going to start Core Java Basics playlist. In this playlist we will discuss about all the major things and some basic things also. We will learn day by day all the things. Identifier, reservoir, data types, literals, arrays, type of variables, varchar methods, main method, command line argument, and also I am going to discuss here more topics of advanced Java. Related to advanced Java I will also discuss here, and we will do quizzes here. Like in between video I will ask to you guys like questions, like most asked interview questions also we will cover in this series. So let's begin with your series. And first we will start with identifiers. Okay guys, first we will start with identifiers. First we will start with identifiers. And first topic, now we are going to start your identifiers. Why identifiers in Java it's required? I will tell also that thing also, like why identifiers are required in Java. I will tell these things also. Like you can take definition right now. In name, first take example, like we are calling any person like with name Raju, Sam, Ram. These are the name that identified that person whom we are calling. Okay, so in we have identifiers in Java. You can take definition right now, like I am telling definition. A name in Java program is called as identifier. A name in Java program is called as identifier, which can be used for identification purpose. Which can be used for identification purpose. It can be method name or variable name or class name. It can be method name, variable name or class name. Now we will take one example like class test we have taken. Okay, and here we have string arg int x is equal to 10 here. Now anyone can tell me how many like identifiers are in this program available? Anyone can tell like how many identifiers in this one example we have? First is class name. As I told, class name is identifier. Another one is main method, is also a one method name. Then this also identifier. Arg variable name, it's also a method, oh sorry, identifiers. Okay, and test int main and string also a class. I told like class name also identifiers, and here variable name also a identifier. Now see, 5 identifiers we have in this one example. Like for understanding, we can take your child, like we follow some rules for giving to any child name. Okay, like we won't give like a child name as a dog, tree, any name like cat. These names are specified for a some particular things here. Okay, we will discuss these things here. Like we have some things, like we have one child. Okay, child. In this child we will give some names. Names we will discuss here, like four names. First, like cat. Cat is reserved. Cat is reserved. cat is reserved. Okay, and one other is tree. Tree is also reserved. Okay, these both are reserved. Okay, we can't take child name. Okay, this both we can't take as child name. So this type of words also reserved. Okay, so also in Java we have some reserved words. So that's reserved words we have. Okay, and I will tell some rules for defining a what some rules for defining. See here rules for identifiers. First rule noted here, like valid. First valid, who is valid, which one are valids, A to Z are valids. Okay, and A to capital Z is valid, and third one 0 to 9s are valid, and dollar symbol special, this one two special symbols are valid. Only this many things are valid for identifiers. Okay, now we will discuss another thing here, like I'm taking one example. See here, total hyphen number. This is valid or invalid, tell what thing is going on here. It's valid or invalid, it's a clearly valid. Okay, it's a valid because it's allowed. If I will take total dollar number, it's also a valid, but I will take total at the rate number, it's not valid. Okay, so this specifier symbol is not allowed in your Java program. So you guys have to understand this thing. And first rule, not start with digit. Okay, rule number 1, variable will not start with digit like 1 2 a a. It's invalid because it's starting with a number. Number should not come in the beginning of your identifier. And second rule, identifier are case sensitive. See here, like a a a is the variable name 1, and second one I am taking a, it's another one, and another one I am taking a. These three are same, but Java is case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? I will explain here. See, I will explain here why is Java is case sensitive. I will explain. Okay, why Java code as case sensitive? We will see here in this example. I'm going to discuss, because if in this a a a 10 I am storing, and another one is a is equal to 5 I am storing, and another one is a I am storing 2. These three are different. That's the case sensitive meaning. These three are different. That's the meaning of case sensitive. Okay, hope you understand, guys. Now third rule, there is no length limit, like a n number of character you can take here like 10, but it's a not good practice. Like I will show you, like int first, third rule I am going to show you. Will see, a is equal to 10. I am printing this a, see here, this. It won't give any error, see, but it's a not good practice. This is your third rule, okay? I hope you guys understand. And fourth one rule is like we can't use reserved word as identifiers. Example, like I have taken int x is equal to 10, int if is equal to 10, because it's a reserved word. Okay, it's a reserved word. It's okay, but it's not okay. I will show you, see here. It's a not good programming practice, you will see here. Like if I will use, it's a not good programming practice, because more confusion it will create here. We'll see int if statement expected. Okay, error is coming here because it's a reserved word. Okay guys, it's a reserved word, so it's not giving any output. Now I will take this, see, output is coming. So you understand fourth rule also here, what is that, why we can't use reserved words here. Okay, now fifth rule. What is fifth rule telling? Like all predefined Java classes name interface we can use as a, see, class name valid, interface name we can use as identifier. Okay, then I will show you with example how it will work here. Okay, see, int string is equal to 8 I am storing, and I am printing this string, because string is a class in Java extended by object class. It's a valid, but even though it is valid, but it's not a good programming practice, because it readability reduces and create confusion also. Okay, and I will take here interface name also, you will see, runnable. Okay, runnable is there, runnable is there. Okay, now I will store here 1 2 3 4 5. See, it's giving output, but it's not a good programming practice. That's the your fifth rule. Interface name and class name also valid. That's we completed your fifth rule also. Now, how keyword reserved words are there, I will explain also here. Like you will see how many reserved words, how you will remember all these. See, I am explaining now. Keywords for data type. In upcoming video, I will discuss all the things, don't worry. Just remember, if you don't know about what is data type, keywords for data type. See, first one, how you will, first one is byte, second one is sort, and third one is int. Byte, sort, int, long, these are data type. Float, double, boolean, char. How many? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are for data types. Okay, 8 for data types. Now I am going to discuss another one here. Keywords for flow control. Flow control. For flow control keywords. Okay, how many keywords are for flow control? We will see here how many keywords are here for flow control only. If if one keyword is there, else is there, switch keyword is there, inside switch case is there, and inside switch we have one another one, default is there, and again while, do, for. Inside for we have continue and break, and we have written. How you will remember this? You are thinking like, if, else, inside switch is another control for case, default, inside switch to case and default will coming, inside while do is coming, for continue, break, return, these are things. Okay, now another one data types for modifiers, another one data type for modifiers. Here modifiers we have public, private, protected, public, private, protected, state, and static. Default is there, but if we not write anything, then default. Okay, that's why I'm not writing. Final is there, abstract is there, and synchronize. Synchronize, native, strict FP. It comes in which version? If anyone asks, 1.2 version it's came, this keyword. Strict FP. Okay, and under transient, and under volatile. Okay, now again we have another data type for exception handling. This is for keyword for exception handling. See, try, catch, finally, and we have another throw, then throws, assert. Anyone ask in assert in which version assert is came? Now you have to tell 1.4 version assert is came. Okay, and we have other things like we use assert for debugging purpose. Okay, assert used for debugging purpose. We will use debugging purpose. Now we have another type of keyword here. So this many keywords we have, like 53 total keywords we have here. I will tell. For class related keywords, class related. Okay, this many keywords class related, like first one is class, interface. Now we have extend, extends keyword, implement, implements keyword, package, and import. Okay, this many keywords, and again we have keywords for object related keywords. Object related keywords, okay, like new, instance of, keyword, we have super, this many keywords for object related. Now we have which type of keywords here, return type keywords. We have return type keywords. Return type keywords, which one return type? Only void. We have only void for return type keywords. If we are nothing returning, then void is your keyword. Otherwise int, float, char, list, whatever you want, you can make that return type. Okay, now enum. One is enum. Why we use enum? If we want to define a group of name constraint, then we should go for enum. If we want to define, like example, we can take, you have to do enum months. Okay, new months like Jan, February, so on. You are doing like this. Okay, all the you are storing like this. That's the use of enum. Why enum? If we want to define a group of name constraint, then we should go for enum. Okay, if you observed one thing here, like all the keywords in the small letters, if you observe that thing, any one single keyword is not in uppercase, only in small cases. So that's one property. All are in properties, like all are in small case. Okay, and second property, like only 53. These are only 53 keywords. Okay, why? Anyone will ask why delete keyword is not there. See, anyone will ask like why delete keyword is not there. Why delete keyword is not there? Delete not in Java. Answer is GC, garbage collector. Because this perform all the activities of delete keyword. If we are not using any keyword, then garbage collector comes and destroy that objects. Okay, when is that object and variable? If we are not using a longer time, we are not using, that's the reason here delete keyword is not in Java. Okay, now another thing is there, like unused keyword in Java. Unused keyword, unused keyword, what I am telling, unused keyword in Java. Which one? Unused keyword. These keywords are present in Java, but we are not using anywhere. Okay, if we use, we will get compile time error. First one, const, and another one is go to. These both keywords are present in Java, but we are not using this single one, because const purpose is like making a constant variable, what we are using final here in Java, so we are not using const. Go to means a variable sending to another state, but we are using functions here, so we don't use this, so we are not using these two keywords. So you have to answer this like what are the unused keyword in Java which are also present in Java. So we have to give answer like const and go to. Okay, now in this video I will discuss about reserved words also. So let's discuss about reserved words. Like in English, we will take example of English language. Like cat is defined as animal. Okay, dog is defined as animal. Okay, apple is fruit, comes in the category of fruit. Apples come in the category of food, and eat is the action. These are some reserved words. All these are some reserved words. Okay, these are some reserved words. So we can't take any name like human. We can't take name as human. Okay, crores of reserved words are there, but in Java we have only 53. In Java we have 53. Only 53 reserved words. Okay, reserve 53 only, and keywords and this divide into two parts. Reserved words are divided into two parts. First one is keyword. Okay, 50 keywords and reserved words, reserved literals. Reserved literals. Okay, three. These three reserved literals we have. Now zoom out little screen. Okay, these the 50 keywords and reserved words are 3. Now we will discuss here. If reserved words associated with functionality is called keywords. If reserved words associate with functionality is called keyword. So the definition of here, like if reserved words associated with functionality is called keyword. How functionality I will tell here. See, like used keyword, unused keyword. Used keyword, used keyword like if, else, etc. But unused, we have some unused keyword. Okay, let's increase the size of screen. Okay, now used keyword like if, else, many we have, but what about unused keyword? Okay, unused, oh what's happen here, unused. Okay, unused I also tell like go to. Okay, and one is const. These are the used and unused keyword we have. Okay, and reserved literals. What about reserved literals? If reserve word is only a representing value, not a functionality, then reserve literals. We have reserve literals like true, another one is false, and null. These are the reserved literals. These are not representing any functionality and values. Okay, these are not representing any functionality and values. What is about keywords here? Like keywords, 50 keywords, 3 reserved literals. See here, 50 keywords and 3 reserved literals. Keywords, I am again explaining, keywords is a reserved words associate with functionality is called keywords. If reserved literals were not associated with functionality and only representing a value is called reserved literals. I hope you guys understand all the things. Okay, what I discuss all the things in this video. I hope you guys understand. Okay, we will meet in another video.